We're going to start the presentation on the adverse effects of the COVID-19 vaccine. And I'd like to welcome Laura Desmarais.
Your tech gentleman is pulling my team up on the phone as well, my texting won't go through, or my internet's not going through. What's funny is this kind of happens a lot. It's not your fault. It just happens a lot wherever we go. It's really crazy. Today, we contend for life, our health, our children, our cellular integrity, and I truly believe it's no less than the future of humanity regarding this technology. In Washington State, 238 residents have died. 548 have had life-threatening adverse reactions. 621 were permanently disabled. 236 have had life-altering myocarditis, and 78 have suffered miscarriages. And these are the CDC VAERS numbers, which also show that over 19,000 Americans have died and 19,000 have been permanently disabled. 3,800 peer-reviewed studies show harm and confirm that this is not a medical intervention. All of our government agencies have failed to protect the public. And I implore you as lesser magistrates to be strong and courageous, to lead the charge for Washington State and the nation. Other lesser magistrates will follow your lead.
I'm greatly concerned about the mounting injuries, disabilities, and deaths that have occurred after COVID-19 vaccination. I have over 80 peer-reviewed publications in the peer-reviewed literature, and I've concluded that the vaccines are not safe for human use. And all of the messenger RNA platforms in development have had safety problems. I believe the same will be true for animal use. So I'm in support right now of banning all messenger RNA products, both human and veterinary uses. It's going to have to be done jurisdiction by jurisdiction, state by state. The federal government doesn't appear to be at the state of removing these from the market, so it's going to be done locally. I'm Dr. Peter McCullough. Thank you so much for listening.
My name is Nicholas Holker. The total number of COVID-19 vaccine deaths worldwide may be greater than 17 million, and that's according to a study by Rancourt and colleagues. Right now, Peter Hotez has been claiming that millions of lives have been saved, but these 12 studies demonstrate the exact opposite, and in fact, millions may have in fact been killed.
So, my name is Dr. Jancy Chum-Lindsay. Why didn't gene therapies make it to the market in over 30 years of research? The reason why is because they cause lethal cancers, mostly leukemias and lymphomas, through integrating into host DNA through a process called insertional mutagenesis. Please don't allow our citizens and our children to be injected with a gene therapy so lethal the FDA tried to hide it from the public for 75 years.
I'm Dr. Ryan Cole. I'm a board-certified anatomic and clinical pathologist trained at the Mayo Clinic. It's not just about COVID. It's about what's going forward as well. I'm here to recommend that nobody ever takes another genetic shot. I feel for all those who've been injured, and my heart goes out to those who are still suffering. I didn't take an oath to any administrator, any hospital, any organization. I took an oath when I became a physician to a patient. And at the end of the day, a lot of physicians have really lost connection to that oath, and it's very unfortunate, wittingly or unwittingly. They bought into a lot of the narrative and a lot of the junk media and junk science that was out there. And I think it's important for all of us to know This was a study out of Hopkins of the 4 major world medical journals, the peer reviewers. Half of them in the last, from 2020 to 2022, received $1.06 billion, the peer reviewers of these articles. And you wonder why some of the things that were shared today aren't in the literature. I'll tell you why. Because the pharmaceutical companies and the medical device manufacturers paid that $1.06 billion to the peer reviewers of the literature. This is about this platform of a genetic therapy. And any gene product, as mentioned, takes about 15 years to make it to market for a reason. Because those cancers show up late, those autoimmune diseases show up late. The problem is these manufacturers calling a gene therapy a vaccine, they don't have to do mutation studies, they don't have to do cancer studies, and they magically have this veil of liability over them. So this isn't just about COVID. They want to do this with all vaccines going forward, not just for us, but for animals too, because it's quick and easy and very financially beneficial to them.
So this resolution we're passing prohibits mandates, and I think we're all looking to make sure that we do that, because it's your free will. It's your decision if you want to take a vaccine or wear a mask. I'm all for passing this resolution today.
I'll make the motion to approve Resolution 2025-076 as presented.
But I think it's important today, with the momentum that's going on, is to pass this. We can always amend it. We can always redo it. But I think it's very important to get the ball rolling in Washington State at this point in time. So is there any other discussion?
No, I think we should pass it. I mean, what's been done to the citizens of our country it's unacceptable and it's horrendous.
Well said. If there's no further comments, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Did Commissioner Bauman, did you vote?
I did.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Aye.
You
Yes.
guys were unanimous. I didn't hear 2 voices. I only heard 1. So with that, congratulations, Dr. Cole and the team. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
You're making a difference in the world. God bless you.